Hi there, Viridian Art. We are going to make scratch art. Okay, to get started, you're going to need some oil pastels or crayons, a paper plate. Even if there's patterns on it, this will still work. You need some sort of stick, a toothpick, or a wooden dowel with a pointy edge will work. And you need black paint and a paintbrush. Let's get started. We are going to color in really hard with the oil pastel. Starting in the center, we want to get all of it coated. And then we're just going to continue going in rainbow order from the center working outward. Make sure the center of the plate is completely filled in, that flat area, with no white spaces showing. You can shake off any little bits of oil pastel that are on there. Don't rub it really hard. You could blow it off or shake it off. And then we're going to go on to our black paint. So tempera paint or acrylic paint will work. You're going to get paint on your brush, and we are going to really softly paint over the entire plate, even the areas that are not filled in. When you get to the oil pastel, just softly go over it. You don't want to mix the paint with the oil pastel. Make sure that there's not any blobs of paint on there. You could just spread those out. We want it to be a nice thin layer so it dries quickly. And then we're going to let that dry for a few minutes before we do the next step. So now that our plate is dry, we can create some fun designs. You can do this with any size plate. So here's my little mini scratch art plate. We are going to make the design on our big plate. So using your toothpick or wooden stick or even a dull pencil will work. I'm going to make a plus sign going across my plate. Any parts that did not have oil pastel on them will not work for this scratch art. So you have to make sure to stay within that flat area of your plate. From that, I'm going to make a nice circle. And keep creating the design from there. You can add in any lines dividing it up however you'd like. So keep going until you're happy with your scratch art design.